The clock spring of Accord 20. We have already dismantled everything already, so we are now replacing the clock spring. This is the one on the vehicle, and we are changing it to this. This is the used one that will be using. This is Accord 2013. We plug in this socket. I plug in the airbag socket. And this socket will go back. So I took this thing out so that I can take the airbag. So I plug in all those sockets. Place the covers back. Place the covers then. So you take out these three bolts as I'm fixing them back. So this is a reverse fix of the way I removed it, and there's other two bolts. Then you take this one, 2, 3. When you are removing it, so after taking it out, you can open it and do the cover. So from here you pick up the steering. Then you have to place a mark. So there is the mark on it, and that is a similar mark here. So you have to fix it with the mark, and I have to put the camera down. So after fixing it, you fix this socket back. That's the horn socket. Now the horn is working. Now the horn is working. Then you fix this airbag socket. So the airbag socket, you fix the airbag, you push. But before I fix the airbag, I have to fix the 14 bolt. This is the 14 bolt here. Fix the 14 back. So now the horn is working. Before you fix, then airbag unit or the airbag back, you screw. You take this screw. There's a screw in there. You fix it. Everything is set. It's left to me to fix. So now I fixed. I fixed this hole. There is a T27 that you have to use, and I'll fix this hole. So it's left to me to fix the airbag socket and fix the cover back. And I'm done with the changing of the flexible of the clock spring.